Sekhukhune United's bold gamble on veteran striker Bradley Grobler is paying off handsomely. The 37-year-old delivered a masterclass at FNB Stadium on Tuesday night, scoring tries to hand Kaizer Chiefs their first defeat of the season and propel Bafana Noko to the top of the Betway Premiership table. Grobler struck in both halves of a 3-1 victory that underlined Sekhukhune's title credentials and silenced lingering doubts about his age and durability. The result lifted Eric Tinkler's side to 16 points from 7 matches, 2 clear of defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns. Amakhosi, who had arrived unbeaten and hopeful of establishing themselves as early contenders, were instead schooled by a Sekhukhune outfit whose resilience and cutting edge have made them one of the league's most formidable sides. For Grobler, the performance carried a layer of personal satisfaction. Once deemed too old by Amakhosi, the former SuperSport United forward showed once again why he remains among South Africa's deadliest marksmen. And sometimes it's nice scoring against teams that told you that you were old and past your prime 5 or 6 years ago. It feels good, but I'm just happy for our team. Tonight was a big performance, one that will probably get people to take us more seriously. Remarkably, Grobler revealed he had battled illness in the days leading up to the match and said, "I haven't trained in the last 4 days because of chest and throat infections. I only arrived in camp on Monday. Credit to the boys for the fighting spirit and to the coach for the game plan. It was top-notch." Tinkler's decision to recruit the seasoned forward has already proven shrewd. Critics had questioned the wisdom of signing an injury-prone striker in the twilight of his career, but Grobler's consistency has turned skepticism into applause. His brace against Chiefs took his tally to 6 goals in 9 matches this season and 123 overall in the PSL. Amakhosi, meanwhile, remained a favorite target for Grobler. He has now scored 12 times against the Soweto Giants, 9 in league action and 3 in cup competitions. Though quick to downplay any animosity, his satisfaction was clear. "It's nothing against the team," he added. "But the nice thing is, it's a team that once told me I was past my prime." For Sekhukhune, the win represents more than 3 points. It's a statement of intent. Their unbeaten run remains intact, and with Grobler leading the line, their dream of challenging for the league no longer seems far-fetched. It's a long season. Grobler further stated that it's a long season and we don't want to put pressure on ourselves. We'll just keep doing what we've been doing and fight for every game. With Bafana Noko flying high and their veteran striker rolling back the years, the rest of the Premiership has been duly warned. Underestimate Sekhukhune United at your own peril. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.